Yo, ALZ. Let's kick it. Bike, baby. Grab your bike, baby. All right, stop. Grab your racket and listen. Playing tennis with a whole new mission. Recruiting. I said politely, we'll recruit teams from the morning crew nightly. Will we ever stop? Yo, heck no. Blowing up the phone line so this thing grows. Recruit 10 teams, that's something we can handle. The last team said they're gonna make some candles dance when the bass line booms. Making calls from the couch and in the bedroom. We know we could do this together. Our goal, end Alzheimer's forever. Love it or leave it, it's the longest day. Put your passion to work in a good way. This disease is a problem, but we can solve it. Join the task force and help us evolve this. Mike, baby. Grab your mic, baby. Dice, baby. Throw some dice, baby. Now that our people are jumping, we're moving around to get our hearts pumping. Facebook and Twitter, there is no doubt. You can help us get the word out. Friends with team captains, that ain't new. When you have time, you can send a thank you. Presentation skills will make you a hub. Get the word out to your local clubs. Find a team and get them on the news. You could be the king or queen of interviews. Coach the teams, we'll make the scripts. Fundraising and event planning tips. Help us reach our fundraising goals. It's good for the team and good for your soul. On the summer solstice, don't you fret. The longest day, sunrise to sunset. Let's end all's baby. Be on our task force, baby. Get involved now, baby. We can show you how, baby. Yo, let's get out of here. Peace.
Longest Day is our newest signature event to raise money for Alzheimer's care, support, and research. It's held on the longest day of the year, the summer solstice, June 20th, to honor the strength and endurance of those living with Alzheimer's disease and their caregivers. Last year, I participated in the longest day by running a 10-mile race in the Oakland Hills. I did it to honor the memory of my mother, who passed away a few years ago from Alzheimer's disease. She lost her race, but together we can change the course of this disease. I'd like to invite you to volunteer on the Longest Day Task Force to help us recruit teams and promote this event. No matter where you live, you can participate virtually on a task force and help us make this signature event a great success.
As Karen said, the Longest Day is an important strategic event to help the Alzheimer's Association accomplish its mission and its vision of a world without Alzheimer's. We're asking you to start a team, join our task force, or help us recruit people for the task force. This event will succeed if we have a strong task force, so think about people you know who might be appropriate for it. Get involved. Together, we'll engage our communities, we'll make a tremendous difference.
With me right now is Jack Schwab for the Laguna Woods Bridge Club, and I'd like to welcome you. We just showed that video there about the longest day to benefit the Alzheimer's Association.
Yes, and that's a big event that the Bridge Club will be starting today. As I was explaining before,
Yeah.
it's in sort of two parts because the local and the national have different viewpoints on it. We want to make sure that some of the funds that we raise and stuff like that go to both the local and to the national.
And of course, the video we just saw there was put out by the national. Both the Alzheimer's Association, the national, but also the national ACBL, right? The Bridge League of America, whatever. I probably have that vernacular wrong, but they work together for this, right?
Right.
Yeah.
Yeah, and it's it's something that Laguna Woods should be very proud of. It's something that actually started here at the Laguna Woods Bridge Club back about 25, 30 years ago.
Wow, that's amazing.
Right, and then was adopted by the national ACBL as a promotion through all the clubs. So this Alzheimer's thing, the longest day will be in bridge clubs pretty much all across the country.
So as far as here, tell us how people can get involved. Obviously, you have to be part of the bridge club or play bridge. Or?
Oh, you can contribute if you want to. I'll bring out a box and put it right here on the TV station, and anyone can contribute.
Okay.
To it. We do it through the bridge club. The bridge club actually runs what they call holiday games.
Okay.
Where it's a higher fee than it is on the normal games.
Okay.
The extra portion of that goes to the Alzheimer's.
Okay.
Rather than going to the bridge club.
This is a multi-day event? Different days contribute to different organizations? Or?
Right. What happens is the first 2 days, today and Wednesday.
Okay. Today is the 19th.
Yeah.
Boy, it goes by fast, doesn't it? Yeah.
The funds will be going to the local Alzheimer's Association. And then the official longest day that's been adopted nationally, and that goes to the national group, and then they distribute it from there. That will be on Thursday.
Okay, so people have a few days to get involved. And
right.
Now, really the way the funds are raised, besides putting out a box, of course, is the entrance fee to play. Okay.
Yes. Yeah, the entrance fee for you call it holiday games, instead of being the usual 3 and 8, okay, is 5 and 10, except that on Thursday morning for guests, not residents, guests, it'll be $5 for everybody.
Okay.
Okay. And the difference between the 3 and the 5, or the 5 and the 8, and stuff, that money goes to the.
All right. Thing. Now, we have the website lagunabridge.com. Do people need to pre-register to be involved with this, or just show up at Clubhouse 7? How
you
are
can
you working that?
You just show up at Clubhouse 7. Or you can pre-register on the website.
Okay.
We're working on it's something that's just come up in the past month or so, where they've started to be able to register online. And you can register online. You can register through phone. You can register. Just come there and give your money to the.
Okay.
To the Alzheimer's Association, and we'll get you in.
Now, what kind of bridge are you going to be playing? Is it duplicate?
We'll be playing duplicate bridge.
Okay.
And on the duplicate I was talking last time about, there are a couple changes, differences between that and your party or contract bridge on it. And one of the differences is the amount of talking. You use boxes and stuff like that to bid on. And of course, and the other thing is that they're preset hands.
Right, yes.
Okay, so you have preset hands for, everyone plays the same hands. In other words, you'll have like maybe 20 people, 5 tables of 4 on the thing. And then you have what are called boards. And these boards are all set up beforehand. And then what you do is you play the hand, and you put the hand back in, and that board will go to the next table, and the people from the after table will come over to this table, and then so on right around the thing. So, but when you get through, you'll have each played all the hands against different opponents.
Oh, I see.
And you set up with a north, south, east, west. Okay.
Now, as far as the games go for the fundraiser, it comes strictly for the entrance fee. It's not like ongoing where you pay for each hand, or are there some prizes given away? And
well, on the longest day, there's not really prizes. We're going to have a lunch.
Okay.
This is on Thursday only. This is not on the other days. And we're also planning on having, when Larry Cohn was here for a presentation, which was very, very well received at it, and he donated books, some of his newest books. He did a dozen of those, and we're going to raffle those off to participants.
All right. And then that money goes to the fundraising?
Yeah.
Okay, very good. Now, as far as other events coming up, are you doing a few other things coming up this summer?
Well, yeah, well, of course, we have our 4th of July where I'm the chief hot dog cooker. And I
Yeah.
you know, I have to be careful about that because Bill Eberly, he's an assistant, but,
Okay.
you know, yeah, I get to do the burnt hot dogs this year. The guy, our president, is not going to be doing hot dogs this year. Last year he did burns. Now this year I do the burns.
All right.
And that's a fun event, and we try to make that, and we've actually changed it this year so that to get some of the people that were structured on our games, usually on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, are different on what the levels of participation can be.
Okay.
We're widening up. Since this is on a Thursday, we're going to run this like a Wednesday game. So
Okay.
people that are in 500 to 750 points will be able to play in the intermediate section.
Okay. And as far as that day goes, the 4th of July, is it actually on that day
Yes.
that you're doing this?
Yep.
Okay.
Yes, it's on the 4th. It's on the 4th of July.
And you set up a
We
barbecue
set up-
out there? Or by the
Yeah, we
clubhouse
set up a
7?
barbecue. Marilyn brings in, and her crew bringing in all kinds of, you know, food and stuff like that
Yeah.
that's been prepared and stuff like that. And it's like you know, you have a big brunch.
Yeah.
Or a 4th of July
Yeah.
outdoor
Well, that'll be fun.
cookout on the thing, and then after that, just go right over and you play your bridge in the afternoon.
Okay. Now, for that, pre-register or again show up? Since it's sort of a special event you're doing.
Well, it's always helpful to pre-register.
Okay.
Okay, because then it gives you some. It's like, you know, any other event
Yeah.
that you're doing. It gives you some sort of a feel for how many people are going to be there. You know, how much food you have to have, and so on and the line.
Okay.
But you know, Laguna Woods is Laguna Woods.
Yes.
And a lot of people just want to wait to the last minute and see how they feel that day, and then
Yeah.
over they come.
All right, very good. Now, as far as the longest day again, what are the hours that you're going to be doing this as far as the fundraising?
As far as we'll be doing on
Today tomorrow?
and tomorrow will be our regular times, which
Okay.
basically is 12:30 to 4.
Okay.
Okay. On Thursday we'll be running 3 games. We'll be running a morning game, an afternoon game, and an evening game. And morning game will be 9. Afternoon game will be once again at 12:30, and the evening game is 6.
Okay. All right, and folks, you can find out more information. The website is lagunabridge.com about all their events and their daily games and how to become involved with all the different things that they
We're
do.
looking to do that, and I think next time I'd like to talk a little bit about our education committee and what they're doing to bring in new players into the game. That's the lifeblood of what
That's
you
true.
want to do.
All right, Jack, thank you very much. Good
Thank
to see you.
Nice to see you too.
Have a good few days and raise some money. All right,
Thank you.
We'll be right back.